How are you all? Today we will be discussing the all-new 2027 Jetour T1 PHEV represents a new generation of intelligent, efficient, and adventure-ready vehicles designed for drivers who want the best of both worlds, electrified performance and serious off-road capability. Built by the Chinese automaker Jetour, a rapidly growing brand under the automotive giant Chery Automobile, the T1 is aimed at global markets and positioned as a modern rival to adventure SUVs like the Toyota RAV4 Prime and Jeep Compass 4xe. So in today's video, we'll explore everything about the 2027 Jetour T1 PHEV. Let's get started. From the very first glance, the 2027 Jetour T1 PHEV looks like a vehicle built for exploration. The design philosophy clearly embraces the modern, urban adventure aesthetic, blending muscular SUV proportions with futuristic styling details. At the front, the T1 features a bold rectangular grille framed by strong geometric lines. The grille is paired with ultra-slim LED headlights that stretch horizontally across the fascia, creating a sharp and confident look. A full-width LED daytime running light strip adds a futuristic touch, giving the vehicle a distinctive lighting signature that immediately stands out on the road. The front bumper is sculpted with aggressive air intakes and protective cladding, reinforcing the vehicle's rugged character. Large skid plate styling hints at the SUV's off-road capability. Moving to the side, the T1 reveals its strong SUV stance. The body features squared-off wheel arches, thick protective cladding, and high ground clearance, all key ingredients for an adventure-ready vehicle. Large alloy wheels, likely ranging between 19 and 21 inches depending on trim, give the SUV a planted and powerful presence. Flush door handles and a clean shoulder line add a touch of modern sophistication while improving aerodynamic efficiency. At the rear, the design continues the futuristic theme. A full-width LED taillight bar spans across the tailgate, creating a striking nighttime signature. The rear lighting elements feature sharp geometric patterns that emphasize the vehicle's modern identity. A rugged rear bumper with integrated skid plate accents completes the adventurous design. Overall, the exterior of the 2027 Jetour T1 PHEV perfectly balances modern style with functional off-road character. Step inside the 2027 Jetour T1 PHEV, and the rugged exterior gives way to a surprisingly luxurious and technology-packed cabin. The interior design focuses on minimalism, premium materials, and advanced digital interfaces. Dominating the dashboard is a massive floating touchscreen infotainment display, likely measuring around 15 inches or larger. This high-resolution screen controls nearly every aspect of the vehicle, from navigation and media to climate and vehicle settings. Behind the steering wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster that delivers essential driving information with customizable layouts. The steering wheel itself features a modern multifunction design with touch controls and premium leather wrapping. Jetour appears to be emphasizing comfort and space inside the T1. The seats are expected to be wrapped in high-quality leather or sustainable eco-materials, with contrast stitching and supportive bolstering designed for long journeys. Both front seats will likely offer heating, ventilation, and electric adjustment. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a futuristic atmosphere, allowing drivers to customize the interior mood with multiple color options. Storage solutions are also thoughtfully designed. The center console features wireless charging pads, large cup holders, and smart compartments for everyday convenience. Now let's talk about what really makes this SUV exciting, the plug-in hybrid powertrain. The 2027 Jetour T1 PHEV combines a turbocharged gasoline engine with one or more electric motors to deliver a powerful and efficient driving experience. The gasoline engine is expected to be a 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter turbocharged unit developed by Chery Automobile, paired with Jetour's advanced hybrid system. This system works together with a high-capacity lithium battery pack that allows the SUV to travel significant distances in pure electric mode. Early estimates suggest the electric-only range could reach around 100 to 150 kilometers, depending on driving conditions and battery size. When both the gasoline engine and electric motors work together, the total system output could easily exceed 300 horsepower. That means the Jetour T1 PHEV won't just be efficient, it will also be genuinely quick. So, what do you think about the new Jetour T1? With its rugged design, high-tech interior, and powerful plug-in hybrid system, this SUV could become one of the most interesting new electrified adventure vehicles in the global market. As brands like Jetour continue expanding internationally, models like the T1 show just how quickly Chinese automakers are evolving in terms of technology, design, and innovation. If the production version delivers on these promises, the 2027 Jetour T1 PHEV could challenge established competitors from brands like Toyota and Jeep. But now we want to hear from you. Would you choose this hybrid adventure SUV over something like the Toyota RAV4 Prime? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of SUVs, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reveals and concept car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.